The irresistible allure of butter yellow. Picture this, my darlings. It's a perfect spring morning in 2025. The sun is peeking through your window, casting a warm, gentle glow. You feel instantly happy, don't you? That, my loves, is the magic of butter yellow. It's that exact feeling, bottled up into a color. This shade is pure joy. It's soft, it's inviting. It's everything we need right now. It's not just a color, it's a mood. So, what exactly is butter yellow? Think of the creamiest, most delicious butter, not too bright, not too pale. It's a delicate, sophisticated shade of yellow. It has a warmth that just draws you in. It's like a soft hug in color form. This isn't your childhood bright yellow crayon. Oh no, honey. This is grown-up, chic, and utterly gorgeous. It whispers elegance rather than shouting for attention. One of the most wonderful things about butter yellow is its sheer versatility. Honestly, it's a game changer. Don't just think of it as a spring or summer color, my loves. Oh no, this shade can work its magic all year round. Imagine a cozy butter yellow cashmere sweater in autumn, or a sharp butter yellow coat on a crisp winter day. It's far more adaptable than you might initially think. It plays so well with others. Butter yellow is surprisingly universally flattering. Unlike some tricky yellows that can wash you out, this softer, creamier hue tends to complement a wide range of skin tones. From the fairest complexions to the deepest melanin-rich skin, butter yellow can bring out a beautiful, healthy glow. It's gentle enough not to overpower, but radiant enough to make you shine. It's like finding the perfect lighting, but in a garment. Wearing it can genuinely make you feel a bit brighter, a bit more confident. It's like a secret weapon for a good mood, hidden in your closet. Butter yellow pairs beautifully with so many other colors. It's a friend to all your existing pieces. For an easy, everyday dose of sunshine, start simple. A beautiful butter yellow t-shirt or a soft knit jumper is perfect. Think quality fabrics, my loves. Pair it with your favorite well-fitting jeans, classic blue, crisp white, or even a faded black. This is casual dressing, elevated. It's effortless, it's chic, and it says, I woke up looking this stylish. Add some clean white trainers and you're good to go. Want to make a slightly bigger statement with your casual wear? Consider butter yellow trousers or a lovely midi skirt. A pair of wide-leg butter yellow linen trousers in summer? Absolutely gorgeous. Team them with a simple white or cream camisole or a fitted ribbed top. The key is balance. Let the butter yellow piece be the star. Nothing says lovely day out quite like a butter yellow casual dress. Imagine a floaty butter yellow sundress for a picnic in the park, or a chic shirt dress in this hue for a weekend brunch with friends. These pieces are instant outfits. They require minimal effort for maximum impact. Look for breathable fabrics like cotton or tencel for ultimate comfort and style. Ready to bring some sunshine to the office? Yes, please! A butter yellow blazer is your secret weapon. It's powerful yet approachable. Imagine it paired with sharp white tailored trousers and a simple cream shell top. Or throw it over a classic navy sheath dress. It instantly modernizes your workwear. You'll command attention for all the right reasons. If a full blazer feels like too much for your workplace, try a butter yellow blouse. A silk or high-quality crepe de chine blouse in this shade looks incredibly sophisticated. Tuck it into a gray pencil skirt or a pair of black wide-leg trousers. It adds a necessary pop of color, especially if your office tends to be a sea of neutrals. Don't be afraid to embrace butter yellow for your bottom half either. A pair of well-tailored butter yellow trousers can look incredibly chic. Pair them with a crisp white button-down shirt for a timeless ensemble. You'll look put together and forward-thinking. Section 5. Evening Radiance. Date nights and special occasions in butter yellow. For a truly romantic and memorable evening, you simply must consider butter yellow. Imagine a slinky butter yellow slip dress. Crafted from luxurious silk or satin, it drapes beautifully and catches the light. This look is so incredibly chic for 2025. It's elegant, a little bit daring, and utterly captivating. Perfect for that special date night or an upscale event. If a full dress isn't on the cards, a gorgeous butter yellow top can be just as impactful. Think of a delicate lace camisole in this hue, perhaps peeking out from under a sharp black blazer, or a beautiful off-the-shoulder top in butter yellow paired with sleek black trousers or a dark denim jean for a more relaxed yet still stunning date night look. Co-ord sets are still having a major moment in 2025, and a butter yellow set is a fantastic choice for an evening out. Picture a chic butter yellow crop top with a matching high-waisted midi or maxi skirt, or perhaps tailored shorts and a matching blazer for a modern twist. This is a fashion-forward choice that shows confidence and style. You'll look absolutely put together. Section 6. Get moving in style butter yellow athleisure looks. Who says your workout gear has to be boring, my loves? Absolutely not. Inject some joy into your fitness routine with butter yellow. Imagine sleek butter yellow leggings or a pair of stylish bike shorts. They look incredible paired with a crisp white or a cool gray sports bra. Or, for a post-gym coffee run, throw on an oversized white tee. You'll feel energized just by putting them on. A butter yellow hoodie or sweatshirt is an absolute must-have for your athleisure wardrobe. It's the perfect blend of comfort and style. Pair it with your favorite black leggings or some dark gray joggers for a relaxed, off-duty look. Don't forget your feet. Butter yellow sneakers or trainers are a fantastic way to add a pop of this gorgeous color to your activewear. Whether you're hitting the gym, going for a run, or just love that sporty aesthetic, these will make a statement. You can also play with mixing and matching your butter yellow activewear pieces. Stay active and stylish, darlings. Section 7. The art of accessorizing complements, layers, and luscious fabrics. Accessorizing your butter yellow outfits is where you can truly let your personal style shine. Generally, gold jewelry looks absolutely divine with butter yellow. It picks up on the warmth of the color and adds a touch of luxury. Think delicate gold chains, hoop earrings, or a classic gold watch. Silver can also work, especially if you're pairing butter yellow with cooler tones like gray or blue, for a more contemporary feel. And pearls? Oh, pearls and butter yellow are a match made in heaven for timeless elegance. When it comes to bags and shoes, neutrals are your best friends. Nude, white, cream, and tan shades all complement butter yellow beautifully. They keep the look fresh and sophisticated. Metallic shoes, gold, silver, or rose gold can elevate any butter yellow outfit, especially for evenings. The fabric choice makes a huge difference in how butter yellow is perceived. Imagine butter yellow in flowing silk or shimmering satin. It's pure luxury, perfect for evening wear or a special blouse. For everyday casual, breathable cotton, soft linen, or comfortable jersey and butter yellow are ideal. Section 8. Beauty and harmony, makeup, hair, and nails to match. Coordinating your beauty look with your butter yellow outfit is the cherry on top, my darlings. For makeup, think warm, soft, and glowing. Peachy or coral blushes will complement the warmth of butter yellow beautifully. On the eyes, consider bronze, gold, or soft brown eyeshadows. A touch of champagne shimmer in the inner corners can make your eyes pop. For lips, nude pinks, peachy tones, or a soft berry stain work wonderfully. Avoid overly cool-toned makeup as it can clash. The goal is to enhance your natural radiance when wearing butter yellow. Focus on achieving a fresh, dewy skin look. A good illuminating primer or a touch of liquid highlighter on the high points of your face, cheekbones, brow bones, cupid's bow, can work wonders. This will echo the sunny disposition of the color itself. Keep the overall makeup look polished but not too heavy. Let your butter yellow outfit and your natural glow do the talking. Section 9. Butter yellow unveiled. Busting myths and boosting your confidence. Now let's address some common worries. I often hear, "Oh tan, yellow washes me out." My loves, that's a myth, especially when it comes to butter yellow. The key is finding the right shade of yellow for your skin tone. Butter yellow, with its creamy, soft undertones, is far more forgiving and universally flattering than brighter, harsher yellows. It has a warmth that can actually bring a lovely glow to your complexion rather than draining it. Give it a try, you might be pleasantly surprised. Another concern I hear is, isn't yellow too bright or too loud? Again, this is where butter yellow truly shines. It's not a neon traffic-stopping yellow. It's a sophisticated, muted, and gentle hue. Think of it as yellow's elegant older sister. It whispers confidence rather than shouting for attention. It's perfect for those who want to incorporate more color into their wardrobe in a chic, understated way. The psychological impact of wearing butter yellow is genuinely uplifting. As we've discussed, yellow is inherently linked to happiness, joy, and optimism. Wearing this soft, sunny shade can actually boost your mood and project an air of positivity and confidence. When you feel good in what you're wearing, it shows. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more style tips, trends, and beauty content. Stay stylish and see you in the next video.